Hey guys, I'm Airiana. Today we're going to be opening a box called Hertruself. and I won this from a giveaway and I'm gonna open it now. Okay, so we got this little thank you sticker. Put up a little thank you sticker. And now we have a little note. Care to read it?
Thank you for purchasing my self-reflective box. With this purchase, I hope it motivates you to love yourself, be true to yourself, and realize that nothing should ever break that barrier of confidence you possess. A lot of things brought me to the creation of this box, but it all surrounded one idea. That idea being, in this world, we often confuse beauty with something physical, other that other than what's on the inside or what we truly are. I wanted to lessen this confusion because we are all truly beautiful inside out. We have to take into consideration that our words are powerful, and when we speak about ourselves and how we look, we have to remember to use positive words to embrace her true self. Yours sincerely.
Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what's inside the box. Ooh. So we got like this little book thingy. Her true self. And it's like just writing stuff about like I'm beautiful, I'm strong, I'm intelligent.
Affirmations.
Like affirmations. Here, let me give you guys a close up. Okay, and I'm gonna be opening this. I don't know what it is for sure, but I'm gonna open it. Wait a minute. Okay. Guys, I got a mirror. Okay, next one. And it's this little bag, and it says, "Today I'll blur and seal all of my negative emotions." Then after I got this, ooh, wait. Okay, I got these. It's kind of like, you know, if you have math flashcards, but telling yourself like, "You're beautiful. I believe in myself. I'm gonna do great today." And lastly, we have two pencils and a pen. And it has a pretty bow.
That's a scroll, Airiana. Open it up.
Oh, thank you for reminding me. I thought these was like pencils. Okay. Trust her true self daily motto. I'm kind, I'm strong, I'm important, I'm beautiful, I'm healthy, I'm a leader, I'm intelligent, I am the change from the day towards going to embrace your love myself, and I am her true self. Bye guys, I hope you liked this video. Bye guys, I hope you liked this video. And yeah. And you're kind, you're beautiful, and just always love yourself. Bye.